Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, Joe picked a lot of tomatoes from our garden. I washed them, sliced them, and roasted them, and this is what we have. We also roasted yellow peppers, bell peppers, and garlic and onions. We are going to be making marinara sauce today, so let's get started. I'm peeling off the skin of the bell peppers so I can chop them up and put them in the sauce. These are the spices that we are going to be using in our sauce. We have Italian seasoning, and we have bay leaves, black pepper, oregano, sugar, and pink salt. Not to forget olive oil. This is very, very important in marinara sauce. Okay. Also, we picked basil from the garden, fresh basil, beautiful, really nice, and fresh thyme. We are going to be putting these in our sauce. It's going to be delicious. Look at this. That's not working out. Not working out too well. You know, I might have to leave it whole. Okay, guys, please do not try to cut roasted garlic because it's very, very sticky, as you can see what's happening to me right now. Okay, it's chopped and it's ready to be used. The next step is to food mill our roasted tomatoes. We just bought this food mill yesterday, and this is the first time we are using it, so we'll see how that works. I hope it works the way it's supposed to. We shall see. I'm not sure if I like this. Not what I had expected. It doesn't look like it's working too well. So I think I'm going to peel the tomatoes and use my Ninja processor. I'm peeling the roasted tomatoes and get them ready to be processed. It's a lot of work, but the result is going to be really nice. We are going to roast the tomato skins to make tomato powder for future use. Guys, just an FYI, don't ever leave the tin foil on the bottom of the oven. Look at what happened to mine. I have some leftover onions and red pepper, so I figured I would use them all. I chopped them up and then I am now stir frying them or browning them with the garlic. I'm adding bay leaves to our sauce. And then Italian spices. Oregano. Lots of it. Black pepper. A little bit of sugar. And pink salt. I like pink salt, but you can use any kind of salt that you like. Mix it well and let it simmer for, I'm not sure, maybe half an hour or more until the sauce gets to the consistency that you want. The cameraman liked spicy marinara sauce, so I thought I would add some chilies in the sauce. That should be okay, don't you think? Okay, we are going to let this simmer again for half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we'll check back. I'm chopping the basil for our marinara sauce. Here is what we are going to do with the thyme. Some of it, not all. Time to add the spices, the herbs, I'm sorry, to our sauce. I removed the stems from the herbs and left the leaves in the sauce. It's time to taste our marinara sauce. It's very, very good. I don't think I need anything else. It's just perfect the way it is. We'll can them and then that's it. My jars are being boiled and they're making a lot of noises. The jars are still being boiled and are still making a lot of noises, obviously. Ooh, noisy. Be sure you clean the rims of the jars before you put on the lids. The fun of canning. I'm stirring the sauce to remove the air bubbles. Okay, now we are going to walk it and put it in the bath. Ooh, this is heavy. Ah, ooh la la. Oops, oops. Okay. Now let it cook for 20 minutes, 25 minutes.